Last month, I missed a meeting. Not because I was busy, but because I forgot. Too many emails, too many tabs, too much going on. That's when someone told me, just try Lindy AI. I rolled my eyes, but I tried it anyway. Step 1. Why I even tested Lindy. I wasn't looking for a miracle. I just wanted something that could take the small stuff off my plate. Emails, reminders, follow-ups. If it failed, I'd delete it and move on. Simple. Step 2. First day using it. Setup didn't feel technical. I connected my email, calendar, and gave it a few basic instructions. No tutorials, no long setup calls. Within the first day, it already reminded me about things I would have missed. That got my attention. Step 3, the moment it felt real. I asked Lindy to reply to a client email. Normally, AI replies feel cold or awkward. This one didn't. I barely changed a word before sending it. That's when I stopped thinking of it as a tool and more like backup. Step 4, where it struggles. Let's be honest, it's not human. Sometimes it misunderstands tone, and if a task gets emotional or complex, you still need to step in. It's great at support, not judgment. Step 5, can it replace a human assistant? No, but it can replace a lot of the work a human assistant does every day. For me, it handles about 70 to 80% of the boring stuff, and that alone saves hours. Final thoughts. Lindy AI won't replace people, but it will replace chaos. If you're overwhelmed, disorganized, or constantly playing catch up, this tool actually helps, and that's rare. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.